Hi everyone. The next topic is about the problems related to diode current equation. So the question is like this. If the forward voltage applied to a silicon diode at 30 degrees centigrade is 0.8 volts, find the value of the forward current if the reverse saturation current is 50 nanoamperes. Take efficiency is 2. Okay. So here he has given it as the given condition is it is forward bias. Forward bias voltage is given. So that is VD is equal to 0.8 volts. This one. This is the forward voltage is 0.8 volts. Right. Next he has given reverse saturation current. The reverse saturation current is 50 amps. Reverse saturation current, that is IS, is 50 nanoamperes. Okay. Next he has given the temperature also, right? So the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. He also gave efficiency is 2. We have written all the given conditions over here, right? So now we know the diode current equation. Diode current equation is, it is written as ID is equal to IS e power kVd by Tk minus 1. Okay. So now the temperature to be converted in kelvins, okay, Tk is nothing but temperature in Kelvin is, for centigrades if is giving, you should add by 273. Any temperature in centigrade will be added with 273, then you will get Kelvin temperature. Okay, so that is 30 plus 273, that becomes 303 Kelvin. So we have temperature Tk as 303 Kelvin. After temperature, we have this constant, okay, constant K. There's a formula for this, no? K is equal to 11,600 by efficiency. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, for everything, for every K you have to write this. If it's giving n value, just substitute here. Okay, 11,600 divided by 2. This n value, I mean efficiency value he already gave. So this will be 5,800. Okay, so now substituting this in that equation, forward current ID is equal to 50 into 10 power minus 9, that means nano, right? 50 into 10 power minus 9 e power 5,800 into 0.8 by 303, the temperature minus 1. So on solving this, you will be getting ID is equal to 0.22364 amperes, or you can write it as 223.64 milliamperes. Okay, this is how you will be solving diode current equation problem. So the next problem is a germanium diode has a forward current of 850 milliamps and a reverse saturation current of 5 microamps at room temperature of 27 degrees centigrade. Calculate the forward bias voltage applied. So that means we have to find out the VD value. Okay, so we'll just write the given conditions. Okay, so given forward current he has already given as ID. ID is 850 milliamperes. That means 0.85 amps. I'm converting milli to just convert into normal form. Okay. Next, reverse saturation current. IS is equal to 5 microamps. Okay, what he has given. So 5 into 10 power minus 6 amps. Alright. So and next he gave temperature. So temperature he gave us 27 degrees centigrade. Converted it into kelvins, Tk, that is nothing but centigrade degree into 273. So 227 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin. Okay. Here for germanium, he said germanium, right? If it is silicon, you can take it as efficiency value will be 2. Here germanium, so that will be 1 for germanium. Okay. The efficiency value is 1. So K value will become K is equal to 11600 by efficiency. 11600 by 1 is nothing but 11600. Okay. So equation, we have this equation is ID is equal to IS e power KVD by TK minus 1. Okay, we have to find out this term. Okay, he's telling us to find out the forward bias voltage applied, this VD. So substituting all the values over here, you will get it as ID is 0.85, IS is 5 into 10 power minus 6, e power K is 11600, VD we don't know, into VD. Temperature we got as 300. Temperature is 300. So this complete thing minus 1. Okay. So if we take this, we'll just keep this here and we'll divide this over here. 0.85 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 is equal to e power 11600 VD by 300. Okay, minus 1. So this will be e power, this whole value if you substitute, 11600 divided by this one will be e power 38.6667 VD is equal to, and the whole answer of this one. Okay, so this will be 1,70,000 minus 1. So this will be 169,999. Okay, so if you want to remove this exponential form, when it goes to here, it becomes into logarithm. Okay, so 38.667 VD is equal to log E power 169999. Okay, so this value will be 12.04355. So VD is equal to, next I'll just write here, VD is equal to this whole term 12.04355 divided by 38.667. So you will get it as 0.3114 volts. So VD value is 0.3114 volts. Okay, I hope it is clear. Just exponential form we are solving over here. VD, this complete value is 1,70,000, this minus 1, and you'll get something like this. So just equating exponential, if you're taking here, you're converting into log. So that value is this one. So VD is equal to 12 by 38. So approximate value is this one. This is how we'll be finding the VD values. I hope this problem is also clear. So the next question is, a forward bias voltage of 0.35 volts is applied across a germanium diode. If the forward current is found to be 1 ampere, if the room temperature is 25 degrees, find the reverse saturation current. Okay, here he is asking you to find out IS value. Okay, in the before problem we have found ID value. Okay, the diode current, forward current, we have found that there. Here he is asking you to find the saturation current. Okay, so the first we'll write what is given. Okay, so he has given forward bias voltage, that is VD. VD is 0.35 volts. Okay, next he gave forward current. Okay, that is ID is equal to 1 ampere. Next he gave the temperature. So this temperature, like we said, we have to convert it into kelvins. Here he is giving the room temperature, that is T is equal to 25 degrees centigrade. So converting this into Kelvin is nothing but whatever in centigrade temperature plus 273. For any problem we have to add in this way only. So he gave 25, right? So 25 plus 273. So this will be 298 Kelvin. So TK is 298. Okay. Now the diode current equation we know is, we have ID value, ID is equal to IS into e power kvd by tk minus 1, right? So now we will substitute the values. Substituting values in the above equation, in this one, okay. What we get, we have id, we have to find out this is, right? We have the remaining everything, okay. For finding out k also, we know this formula, right? K is equal to 11600 by efficiency n, okay. So from this we will be getting, as he said for this problem here he gave germanium, right? So for germanium the efficiency value is 1. For silicon it is for silicon it will be 2, okay, for germanium. So k is equal to 11600 by 1, that is nothing but 11600 only, okay. So substituting all these values in this above equation, so we get id is 1 ampere, 1 is equal to is e power 11600 into 0.35, the VD value, I mean he's already given that, divided by 298 minus 1, okay. So you'll get 1 is equal to is, so on. So calculating this whole value, it is around you can calculate this in your calculator, okay. 0.825843 into 10 power 6. So that means is is equal to, okay, you want is value, 1 divided by this whole term, 1 divided by 0.825843 into 10 power 6 is nothing but 1.211 into 10 power minus 6 amps, okay. So the is value is 1.21 into 10 power minus 6 amps, okay. I hope this problem is also clear.